Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, scholars and students, ladies and gentlemen, learners, professionals all around the world. I welcome Dr. Rakesh from USA. Today it is very nice time. We are going to discuss today very important and crucial topic related to believe, trust, belief or trust. The expression trustworthy describes the status of an honest person who has virtuous qualities of complete reliance or faith, so that the masses believe in his or her thoughts and actions. It has a link of two words. Trust means something you can rely upon, and worthy means something that deserves respect. Therefore, trust is an arrangement whereby a person attains an attribute for the welfare of one or more beneficiaries. Such person establishes firm belief in dependence, truth or ability of someone or something, taking the responsibility of conduct and obligation. The noble attitude of being trustworthy is most supportive and admirable. Thus, the trustworthy person should have the qualities of being faithful, reliable, responsible, authentic, accurate, dependable, believable, credible and realistic. The persons lacking the attributes of reliance are considered dishonest, doubtful, improbable, lying, unrealistic, deceptive, fraudulent and conceivable. Credibility explains our skill and all about our method of speech. Reliability mainly conveys about our actions. Intimacy also is a component of trust, which suggests as to how cheerful persons are, having faith in us. However, expertise does not evenly match trust. One can gain the aspects of reliance and credibility through good character and thoughtful positive actions. It develops integrity, create friendship with nice persons, and promote confidences with them. Keep your words and do not disclose secret. Stay honest, kind, considerate, and compassionate. Every person desires other people around them to stand up with credibility and orientation. Be genuine and true. The style of conversation must be modest, polite, and humble to avoid egoistic attitude. Always be supportive. Provide manual, financial, and moral assistance to the needy. The resourceful persons gain better success and prosperity when they share their resources, align with noble and experienced persons. Trustee always feel encouraged with one's skills of learning, because the latest knowledge helps them to get what they want. Take affirmative decisions. Try to be compatible with affirmative conduct and behavior in people. Trusting upon you. Consistent actions and smart decisions make good impact in the thoughts of others.